Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm here to plan out the week of April 6th through Sunday, April 12th. I thought that I had an Easter kit ready to use for this week, but I definitely didn't. I couldn't find any Easter related stickers at all. I didn't look for that long, okay, if I'm being honest, but I did try and find an Easter kit. I just thought I had one. I thought there was one that was either part of the Christiane Design Celebrations collection or I'd ordered the add-on, and turns out I didn't. So I decided to forget trying to find an Easter kit, and I'm just gonna use this Harry Potter kit from Creating & Co. because it makes me so happy. And I feel like it kind of goes along with the theme that we started last week, which was using colors you don't normally do, because there are a lot of grays and dark colors in this kit as well. So I thought that this would be fun to use this week. So I also grabbed some washi. This is the washi that's actually from her shop. These two came in a kit together and you got to pick the colors. I obviously picked the blue ones, and then this was a separate washi from her shop, and then these are Simply Gilded ones to add to the bottom because I don't love the decorative strip that comes with this one. I don't know, I'm not really here for the flowers, but I'm excited to use this kit. I like all the different half boxes and the quarter boxes, and then I especially like the decorative full boxes. This is definitely what I'm most excited about regarding this kit. So let's go ahead and jump in. This is the first week in a while that nothing too drastic is changing in terms of my planning style from last week. So in the morning I will work out, but that's the only thing I'll do in the morning. And then I'll put some sort of quarter box to mark the time that I'm at lunch or taking a lunch and what I'll do during that time. I'll have a full box to mark my time at work. I am gonna try and do this little walk after work, but I don't think I'm gonna put a sticker down just because there's not a ton of extra stickers. I mean, I guess I could maybe like cut this one, but also just because I feel like it's a little bit repetitive and I'm not actually writing how long I'm walking, so I don't know that it's necessary. And then I'll put a half box to mark what I'm doing in the evening. That's the only thing I'm trying to do. So there might be a lot of decorative stuff this week, especially because I don't have the gratitude stickers. Actually, I take that back. I do have gratitude stickers in a ton of colors. Let's use some. Let's continue the gratitude theme and use some. So we've got gray. I could do, are there 7 here? Yep, so I could do these gray ones. This gray is kind of a weird brownish gray. Or there's probably some blue ones. See if any of these blues match. If not, no, the dark blue kind of does. I might just stick with the gray. This might be a pretty gray themed week. But that way, we still have some gratitude going on, and hey, it goes with the theme of using the products that I have. So I went ahead and grabbed a ton of workout stickers. I have a bunch of gray ones, and then I have some dark ones that match the darker blue if I did want to do one color per column. What I couldn't quite find was some stickers that I already had, there's more gray ones, that match this shade of blue. I have like some other light blues, but none of them are quite the same. So what I'm thinking is instead of doing one color per column, I'm just gonna do colors in general and just gonna use the kit as it is. And what I'm gonna do the different colored workout stickers for is the type of workout. So I'm starting a new workout plan next week where I'm doing one type of workout Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then a different one Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll talk more about that in the weekly vlog. So I'm thinking I'll use the dark ones for Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday for that type of workout, and then one of these gray ones, maybe there's 4 of that shade of gray for the other days. I'm still gonna be tracking the weather. I'm gonna fill that in tomorrow. It's Saturday when I'm filming this, and I just figured the closer the better. So I'll fill out the weather for the first half of the week starting tomorrow. But I like being able to see the weather. It's especially helpful for knowing if it's gonna rain, and then I can look at what time it's gonna rain and is that gonna affect my walk. Okay, so then if I'm gonna use a quarter box to mark the time that I am at lunch, so if I was doing one color per column, I would just pull these exact stickers, right? And put the ones that go with that column. But since I'm just doing it in general, maybe I will grab some of these like film and edit stickers, mostly the edit stickers, let's be honest, on the days that they apply, these half box ones. So we've got this one, which that blue doesn't really go, but the black does, or this navy one, that one goes. I prefer the blue ones to the black ones. Tuesday is prepping the videos, so maybe for that one I will do one of these stickers. Again, just trying to kind of mix up the colors since I'm not doing one per column. We'll see if I like the way that this looks at the end. And then I think Wednesday and Thursday are both editing. So So I'll just keep going with this navy because I think the navy looks better than the black. If I had a gray one, I might use that, but I just think the black, I mean, there is black, I guess, in the full boxes, but I don't know. I kind of like the consistency of the navy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do Friday as if we're doing the whole work week together. I don't know, given that all the vacations are canceled, I don't know the next time I am gonna not have a 5-day work week. I feel like for the foreseeable future. All right, time for the full boxes. So I really technically only need 5. So I'm definitely gonna skip the one with the shoes. Those aren't my favorite. I said I didn't really love the flowers, which is still true, but I like the coffee that's in this one. I think I might skip this He Who Must Not Be Named because that's just like negative. So I'll do these 5. Okay, I think I'll start with this one. Not really for any major particular reason. And I think I'm gonna leave a little bit more white space in between things this week, just because I know I have the space, you know, at the bottom. I'm gonna be adding a bunch of washi anyways, so I might as well leave a little bit of room to breathe here. And then I think I'll put this one. This kit also, like the washi, you can buy it with any of the colors. This is not like, it doesn't just come in blue. You can get it in green or yellow or red. So whatever house you belong in, you can get this kit to go with your house, just like the washi. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, let me know in the comments, which house do you belong to? Clearly with all this blue, I am a Ravenclaw. And then this side, oh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to line that up right. Hang on. I really like the way that those look. Those make the kit for sure. Now I'm gonna put a half box for the evenings. And what I can't decide is what combination I use these like kind of more patterned half boxes, because I don't want it to get too overwhelming, but I don't want to not use them, you know. I think maybe I'll put one here because this was a little bit more simple, so then it's not so bad. Well, Friday I don't need a half box because I'll do a quarter box and then like just relax. So I don't really need one there. So do I do one here? And it looks a little bit busy next to this, but this, I think it might look weird if they're right next to each other. I'm trying to find the balance between like, there's a pattern so that it's not, you know, all one way or the other, but there's also like a balance between the different colors. No, I think that works. I think just one. And then I'll use the other ones definitely for the weekend. So then on Friday, I'll put this guy to start. And then I think I saw a little relax sticker, but this might be a little bit too big. Well, because Friday night we just try to relax and do nothing, but that, ooh, it's a little bit big. These stickers are pretty sticky. I love all these little designy, like little decorative ones, but I don't know that I'm gonna use all of them because I'm not really going anywhere. Oh my God, look at the little chocolate frog. I'm just gonna leave it for now. We'll come back and figure that out later. Okay, then do I wanna go straight into the gratitude stickers? Now that I have all these things down, this gray is not quite the same gray, but the gratitude stickers definitely can't be down here in this section because that will look a little bit funky, I think. Well, maybe not. Hang on, hang tight. And then the washi in between that. No, I think I prefer the gratitude stickers up by the other stickers, even if they don't match perfectly. Once everything is written on, like you won't be able to tell as much, like the exact shades of the grays all being, whether they're different or not. Okay, let me go ahead and do the weekends first and then I can finish the gratitude stickers. So we'll start with these dark blue, navy, dark blue navy workout stickers. All right, and then Saturday we have like a full box thing, really not, oh, you know what? I might, well, I don't know if I cut that. It's kind of the same amount of time. I was gonna use that maybe to mark filming. So I'm really tempted on Saturday to go pull like a full box that matches the kit, but I wanna use the stickers that came with the kit, because if I have them left over, I won't use them. So instead, I think what I'll do, actually, first things first. I'm gonna do the laundry, so I'm gonna put this sticker here to mark that. And then this sticker, is that right side up? Yeah, can mark filming. And then I'll put this sort of just like, I wish that was a little bit thicker, decorative type sticker in between there to kind of take up the extra space. And then I need another half box down here for something else. I don't like having two of the pattern stickers on Saturday, so I'm gonna see if I can get this blue one off. These stickers are pretty sticky once they're stuck down, but it's not a total lost cause. And put that there. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Sunday, I've got more like little things to do rather than bigger things. So maybe I will use this sticker and put this here for like all the little things I want to do on Sunday. All right, I'm actually going to trim this because there's only like 4 little things for Sunday. So I'm going to trim this and use it to mark those 4 like smaller type things. And then I'll use this and then this. Maybe I'll swap this one out for the gray. I feel like, I don't know, I need more, like on Saturday and Sunday, there's more space than I have stuff scheduled, which is good. Like I'm trying to build in that margin into my schedule, but I don't know how to make the stickers. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. Like the stickers don't really matter. Okay, I think what I'll do is I'm gonna move some of this around a little bit. I'm gonna put this one here for the consistency. I'm actually gonna swap it back out for that dark colored one, just for the consistency of having one of these stickers there. I don't know, it looks good, okay. And then I'll put this one here. And then I'll just use some of these little decorative kind of like Harry Potter-esque stickers to fill in that space, even if they're not totally applicable, but they're cute and they will make me happy. Or this desk one is kind of appropriate since a lot of the stuff is that desk work. And then here, well, there's this laundry sticker. And then maybe I'll just put some like books or something because let's be real, I'm doing a lot of reading, or I'm trying to do a lot more reading. So we'll just put that one there. And then I still kind of want to put this one here, even though it doesn't totally fit, but it can kind of overlap on the gratitude, right? Like I'm grateful that we take Fridays as kind of a time to relax and do nothing. Let me finish filling in these gratitude stickers. I'm trying to make sure they're in the same place as the other side, but it's hard to line it up with the other side because the coil is so big. It's hard to make sure. I try to do it based off of where they are on the line, so they're kind of like right at the edge of this line, it looks like. Part of me doesn't actually want to put washi all the way to the bottom. I mean, I do like how it looked last week, having that all filled with washi, but I also kind of want to journal a little bit in that little spot. I just feel like I haven't been documenting enough this situation that we're in. And people keep talking about how someday we're going to want to have this documented, you know, for our children and for our grandchildren. And I just feel like I haven't been doing that. And I'm not a big journaler. I don't necessarily want to like start a journal just for that. I've toyed with the idea. Let me know in the comments. Are you journaling during this time? I don't know. It's not something I necessarily want to do. So for now, I think I am just going to use this roll of washi because I love this one. And I think it fits perfectly and it ties in, you know, with the whole kit. And then I will use this little space at the bottom to do some sort of like mini journal, like mini capture of what happened that day. I think I'm gonna use this pen. Let me test it out. Yeah, this works. This is the tool pen. These are kind of more matte stickers. I will have to get my permit sticker when I write on these gratitude stickers, but I'm not writing on those right now, so I can go ahead and go in with the tool pen. And I totally forgot that I needed to grab the micro perm for the Chrissy Ann Designs edit stickers. All right, let me know down in the comments below, how are things going with you? Check in with us. I was watching Sam from Happily Housewife's video last week, and she was talking about how it does feel better to sometimes just let other people know how you're feeling. Even if it's in the comment of a YouTube video, it still feels good to sort of get it off your chest and share with us how you're feeling and how things are going for you. So let us know down in the comments, how are things going? Have you changed anything related to your schedule? I've talked about this in the past few Plan With Me's, but trying to find a rhythm and a routine that works for me during this time has been difficult. And I think that I've sort of realized that actually being less productive is sometimes better and building in that extra space. So instead of trying to work out and do something else productive in the morning before work, how about I just make sure that I work out and shower and eat breakfast and get ready for the workday? And then instead of trying to cram in a bunch of things in the evening, how about I try and just do one thing after work and then allow myself to relax and cook dinner the rest of the time? Let us know down in the comments, is there anything that you've switched in your schedule compared to your normal routine that has really helped you during this time? Okay, that is it. I really love this week. I mean, I love everything Harry Potter related. I was just watching Diva and the Divine's goals video the other day, and she was talking about how she is reading all the Harry Potter books. She ordered like the set from Amazon because they couldn't find their old set. Apparently her sister checked her parents' house and they couldn't find it. I am also so tempted to order that set from Amazon in order to read all the Harry Potter books again, but that just doesn't make any sense. Mine are at my parents', and I also don't need more books in my apartment or more stuff to try and move at a later date, so I'm not going to order them. I might try and rent them from the library because that just does seem like a really great series right now to kind of reread and settle in, and so I might read it on my Kindle if I can get the ebook from the library. But I love this Harry Potter week. It's Harry Potter, but it's not too in your face. Like, it's just a little bit of Harry Potter, a nod to Harry Potter. So that is going to be it for this Plan With Me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. Work week. No, that was not right, Ligon. I really, really like the way that those half box look. These are not half boxes. Oh my God. You know what I mean? Jelly bean.